red color, blue color, black color, green color, yellow color, and white color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A and use red color. A for aeroplane. B for ball. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use blue color. J for jackfruit. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. It's now draw S and use black color. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zoo. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use green color. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5, 6, S I X 6, 7, S E V E N 7, 8, E I G H 8, 9, N I N E 9, 10, T E N 10, red color, blue color, black color, white color, green color, and yellow color. Kids, now you draw A and use red color. A for aeroplane. B for bat. C for car. D for doll. E for egg. F for fan. G for grapes. Kids, now you draw H and U is blue color. H for horse. I for eyes. J for joker. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. Kids, now you draw O and U is black color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for quill. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. Kids, so now you draw U and U is green color. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wallet. X for Xmas tree. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Red color, blue color, black color, green color, yellow color, and white color. Kids, now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1 and U is red color. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11 and use blue color. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19 and use black color. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Kids, now you draw 26 and use green color. 27, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.